Yeah, these paintings are the rows. We are creating the same things with the easel, the palette knife. Okay, so in down in your paper, take this on white paper. This is better, or because it's transparent, so it is coming nicely. Okay. Now we are taking one more thing. Can you share this? Take this green colors and down papers. Now sharing better. I'll have to take the green paper and down. So just show the tomorrow we are doing more detail. Today I sharing this techniques how to using this. Done, beta? Yeah. Thank you. So if you see here also the background is a dark green, no? So we are taking the green background for this. Here also see the background something making for the dark, and then you can do this. Okay. So for example, I'll take something, any rose. Okay. We are just taking the rose. But in this book's this name, take the last page. This the name and phone number. Okay, just write. Take this last any page. Okay, so I just make the flower. For example, simple flower. I just chose for this. Take her there. I put it another. And your name and phone number side, okay, because that's it. My mother's name. Your name and your mother's phone number, okay, beta? Okay, for suppose to I'm using this rose. Okay, I put it over here, it is visible. Yeah. I make it light little less. Light is coming little less. Yeah, next. Give the next. Okay, this is the flower. So I can make this flower. Simple flower. Yes, sit down there, I'm coming. Okay, for supposed to make this flower. So what I take it's take this color from the color palette knife and start the. Its first day is not coming proper, but only techniques you learn. So I take this color and make it the petals like. So I'm not expecting this very nice is coming because it is first day. But with the palette knife, how to use this? Okay, take color from middle and spread out. I show the one flowers. and we'll try to make it more roundish. Okay, make it more roundish. So we just make this edge of the flower. It's not everything very sharp. See, after that I make it little bit of like this. Abhiyog,
Sir.
why you are disturbing?
Sir, not me, sir. Sir, he.
Okay, beta, keep silence. Bashil, what are you doing, beta? Huh? So take the color in down and make it this like this. Okay, so using the color palette. Okay, and in medials also do like this with this same color. Make this, spread it. Okay, use for palette, clean your tissue paper, one small. Always take your hand. Better give me a little bit of black color. Black, not there, no? Okay, fine. This is okay. Make it blue. Black is there. So make it the blue and brown. It's coming the black, little bit of blackish, deep green. I need to spread it. Okay. And somewhere you can make it like this. So whole drawings we are using basically first with the palette knife. We're not using finger. If I okay, take tissue paper and make it. And now the lemon yellow and the little blue, if we're mixing, is coming the green color. Okay, coming the green color, and these colors you are just spread. Little Bunsen I also add. It's color coming nicely. For the lips, I just create the lips over here. See, I'm using the glass because make the lips like this. Okay, see, I just make this this pattern are okay. The first practice this.